Hey guys, in this video we're going to do a full review on remotejobs.io. The pros, the cons, everything. So, this is basically a platform that claims to help people land remote jobs. But the real question is, should you have to pay to get a job? Right? So we're going to break this down, right? Let's go over some pros first. Right? They have a curated remote job listing section, collection of whole remote job postings can be useful if you're looking for work from home opportunities. Right? They have different categories from tech, customer service, you can find roles in various fields. And also has a user-friendly interface. Right? The platform is easy to navigate and you can filter through jobs. Now the big red flag is the paywall. You basically have to pay to access listings. Now, this is where things get tricky. Legitimate job boards usually don't charge job seekers to apply for jobs, but remotejobs.io offers a paid membership to access premium listings. But should you really be paying for that? I mean, there's also the aspect of job boards versus recruiters. So some job boards, like LinkedIn, have premium features, but they don't block basic job applications behind a paywall. Legit recruiters get paid by the hiring company, not by job seekers, right? So, is it worth it? Well, if you're paying to see jobs that are already publicly available elsewhere, then you're wasting your money. You can find remote jobs for free on sites like LinkedIn, Indeed, We Work Remotely, and FlexJob, right? Which at least vets listings for scams. So, my final verdict to you would be to be cautious. Okay, no real job should require you to pay to apply. If a platform asks for money just to see listings, you might be better off looking elsewhere. You always want to do your research before paying for job related services. And a lot of people are having this issue where when you are trying to cancel with them, they take you through a lot of hassle and you cannot even cancel your membership. A lot of people have, look at this guy as well, a lot of trouble canceling membership. So many people are having the same issue. So I want you to keep an eye out for that as well. Okay? Have you used remotejobs.io? Let us know in the comments below. And that's it for Appier Solutions. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe so I can see you in the next one.